Hello and welcome to the Black Hat Bushcraft channel. I'm Matt Mercer and I appreciate you taking the time to tune in for this video. And this afternoon I want to share with you guys a look and a little discussion on a new product that will be releasing at Self Reliance Outfitters on Friday, October 25th. I believe it's going to release at 1 p.m. and it will be a pre-sale. There's quite a bit of buzz about this product on social media right now, as several of the instructors and also Dave Canterbury himself have been making posts about it, and that is the new Pathfinder folding handled carbon steel skillet. It's been in the works for quite a while now. We've been talking about it for a while, kind of behind the scenes, and I'm super excited that it's finally about to release. Now, there are currently two pieces of this carbon steel skillet in the USA. One of them is Dave's personal skillet, which you have seen him post pictures and video of. And there's a prototype that was residing at Self Reliance Outfitters, which was the one that they were taking pictures of and developing their promotional material for when the sale would take place. And about 5 weeks ago, they agreed to send that skillet to me personally so that I could start to cook with it. And as many of you guys know, I am filming a video series for Self Reliance Outfitters on their YouTube channel called Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen, and so they agreed to send the skillet to me in hopes that I could use it in some of those upcoming episodes in season 2 of the Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen. So that's why I have it. Over the past 5 weeks since it's been in my possession, I have cooked with this skillet almost every single day. Whether I was cooking my breakfast up in it or cooking something for lunch, I've just made a point out of using it. And I'll tell you guys, I'm not one of those people that gets into the hype of the latest and the greatest, a new product. A lot of times the old style stuff is what really interests me. But I have to tell you that this new folding handle carbon steel skillet is absolutely awesome. I love this skillet and it has become my go-to. It will become my go-to to put in my kit when I'm going out to do an overnighter, to do some camp cooking. I just love this skillet. I own quite a few vintage cold handle carbon steel skillets. I own vintage Boy Scout kits that are made out of carbon steel, cast iron, vintage cast iron and things like that. And this skillet it'll rival all of those things as far as how it cooks. Now, if you're familiar with the process of case hardening a skillet or nitriding a skillet, that's what this skillet is, and that's how it's been treated. And if you're not familiar with it, I can't tell you all the science behind it, but basically nitriding is something that's in the steel itself. It's not a coating, it's not something that's going to wear away or scratch off. It's just in the skillet and it's part of the properties of that steel, and it gives it a non-stick quality. It's like a seasoned skillet right out of the box. You don't have to season it, it just performs that way. And I have to tell you guys, I was really surprised how well this thing did right out of the box, which is why I'm so excited about it. And again, I've been using it almost every day for 5 weeks now, and I can't use it enough. I just really enjoy it, and that's why I wanted to film this video for you guys today, to show you the skillet, talk about it a little bit, and show you the skillet in action. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I hope you guys will stick with me. Let's get started right now. All right, so without further ado, let's take a close look at the new Pathfinder Carbon Steel folding handle skillet. You can see here, it's a very familiar design here with the folding handle. You have your little handle lock here. You just simply push that back, squeeze the handle together, and it easily folds underneath the bottom like this. When you want to deploy the handle, all you have to do is just squeeze a little bit, fold that thing up, and again, slide your lock in place. That gives you a nice sturdy handle for when you're cooking over the fire on your camp stove. You can see we do have a Pathfinder logo there. It's a little bit hard to see in this lighting, but mainly I just wanted to give you a close-up look at the skillet, just kind of how it looks, the texture of it, things like that. I know some people are, like to see the details. I'm that type of person, detail oriented, so I like to see things up close, and that's it. So let's do a side-by-side comparison of the Pathfinder stainless skillet and the carbon skillet, and you can see size-wise how they compare. This is the 8-inch stainless. And if I put the carbon on top of that one, it just does fit down inside. So it's a slight bit smaller than the stainless, but it's very, very close. The handles are exactly the same, as you can see, same design here. And the carbon skillet doesn't come with a lid. However, the stainless steel lid will actually function on that carbon skillet. It doesn't fit exactly perfect, but it works pretty well. The other morning I was stewing up some apples in the skillet, and I just used a stainless lid and put on top of it to help steam those, and that worked out just perfect. But that gives you an idea size wise how it compares with the stainless skillet. All right, so while we're at it, let's do one more little side-by-side comparison. This is my old vintage steel Boy Scout mess kit, and this is a jewel to me. It's something I'm really happy that I own. I've had this for many years. It says, after using clean, dry thoroughly, and then oil or grease to prevent rust. That's a gem, isn't it? They don't say that anymore because they're made out of aluminum, whereas this is actually made out of steel. And I have my old little pot here, which I've used so many times, and this is kind of like the old school skillet that this new Pathfinder reminds me of. They're not exactly the same size. Obviously the handle's a little different, although they're both folding handle skillets. But this, to me, cooks like this. This thing is just, as you can see, it's just well seasoned. I've cooked bacon, sausage, mini breakfasts, bannock, all kinds of stuff in the skillet, and it's just always a joy to use. And that's what this is. To me, this is like the modern equivalent of this old vintage Boy Scout carbon skillet. So I just thought I'd throw that in there because these two kind of remind me of each other in the way they cook. And honestly, this may even be a little bit better because it is modern materials and workmanship. But just an awesome vintage piece, and this one kind of gives me that feel. All right, so let's go ahead and get this new carbon skillet over some heat and do a little bit of cooking. I am in a public area today, so I'm not able to light a fire and do the whole campfire cooking thing. So I brought along my butane stove, and I feel like one of the best things that you can cook to test out a new skillet is eggs. If you can cook up some good eggs in a skillet, most everything else is going to be easy. So let's get the stove fired up and let's see how this skillet performs. All right, and so all we're going to do is just throw a little bit of butter in the skillet. Probably got that heat a little bit on the high side. All right, let's see how this does. I always like to bust the yolk. Don't like runny yolks myself. Don't you love that sound? Sound of eggs frying. And this stove definitely is a little bit different heat source than my stove at home. Look at that. See how clean that egg came up? Made a little bit of mess out of it, but that's all right. It'll taste good. You can see how clean that egg came up. Skillet just cooks so good. That's pretty much done right there. Go ahead and take him out. Look at that. Nothing but just a little butter in that skillet, and it comes out just as clean. Didn't stick at all. Telling you guys, that thing cooks like a well-seasoned skillet. All right, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a one egg kind of guy. I like at least a couple. That skillet's pretty hot. And that's just a function of this stove. I've got it turned almost all the way down, and it's still a little more heat than I need. I'm actually holding the skillet up over the stove. It's just a little bit too hot. burn that butter just a little bit. But, you know, that's a good test of the skillet too, because it's a little bit burning. But I want you to see how well it does not stick. Look at that. Look at that. That is just awesome. I'd say that one's done. All right, so just like that. There's those little bit of crumbs left from the egg. Knock that stuff right out with a spatula. I could take a rag and wipe that out. We'd be good to go for the next time. So there you go, guys. You can see just how nice that skillet does. Awesome. So I got my customized Black Hat Bushcraft spice kit here. And we got salt, pepper, and smoky seasoning. And I think the smoky seasoning will be just perfect for this. A little black pepper won't hurt either. And of course, I didn't bring along a fork with me, so I got a hand-carved spatula. Should do the job just perfect. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed taking a quick look at this new carbon steel folding handle skillet that'll be coming out on Friday, October 25th for pre-sale. This was a rare opportunity for me since I was in possession of one of the prototypes. I wanted to pass that along and actually share that with you guys. I also had the chance to use it almost daily for 5 weeks, so I feel like I've formed a strong impression of this skillet because I've actually used it. There's a lot of times where I get products in my hand and I use them and they're just so-so to me, or it's not something I'm really excited about, so I don't really mention it or film videos on it. And this is something that I wanted to go out of my way to film because I really like this product. It is not my goal to push this or try to sell this to anybody. If you're interested in it, by all means, it's a great product. If you're not, I am not trying to sell you on it, okay? I just want to make sure that you guys understand that. However, if you are interested in a skillet and you plan to participate in the pre-sale, I will put my affiliate link down below in the description box of this video. And if you purchase through my affiliate link, I get a small commission off of that sale at no additional cost to you. And I do appreciate your support. I don't depend on that for my income. I have a full-time job. I own my own business. However, any little bit helps in an economy like this. So if you feel led to click on my affiliate link down below, I truly appreciate your support. But if this is not something you're interested in, again, I'm not trying to twist your arm or trying to sell a product to you. I just wanted to share a look at the prototype since I had it in my possession. I want to thank you guys for your time, interest, and support. I have another video that will be coming right after this one, probably later this week, here on the Black Hat Bushcraft channel. And hopefully very soon there'll be another Pathfinder outdoor kitchen recipe, which will show up on the Self Reliance Outfitters YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to their channel, I hope you will. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will do that as well. Again, don't forget the description box. There'll be several links down there that may be of interest to you. I appreciate guys' support. I hope you're doing well. You guys take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, God bless. All right, time to eat. Catfish nuggets for lunch.